Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to top up your investment plan on Cowrywise. Again, investments. You see your investments right there. You tap on it. This was my investment. So you see my investments, new investments. This was to click on the investment, and you see option for top up. So you top up. So that's basically how to do it. If you already have an investment plan. Let me show it to you one more time. If you already have an investment plan, from the home page, tap on invest. If I want to get to invest like this, this is home, save, invest. You tap on the investment name. This is my own investment. Tap on this, and then you see the option for top up. You tap on top up. So that's it. If it's not about this amount, you can tap on different amount to put in the amount yourself. So you're only allowed to put in a minimum of 1,000 naira. Let's down to 2,000. Tap on done. Continue the usual, and that's basically it. Hope you found this video helpful.